Good morning, students. Let's continue with chapter number 11, Understanding Geometrical Shapes. And today's topic is Classification of Quadrilaterals. There are different types of quadrilaterals. We have trapezium. Next, we have parallelogram. Parallelogram, there are different types of parallelogram. We have rhombus, rectangle, and square. And next we have kite. Let's discuss them one by one. First one is trapezium, a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides parallel is called a trapezium. So this is a trapezium A, B, C, D where one pair of opposite sides they are parallel. So AB is parallel to CD. Next we have parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. So here let's see the properties of a parallelogram. Number one, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So here we can see AD is parallel to BC and AB is parallel to DC. Second is both pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram, they are equal also. So AD is equals to BC and AB is equal to DC. Third is both pairs of opposite angles, they are also equal. So angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Number 4, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So these are the two diagonals of a parallelogram. They bisect each other. That means AO is equals to OC and DO is equals to OB. Next we have rectangle. It is a type of parallelogram only. So if one angle of a parallelogram is a right angle, then it is a rectangle. So here this is a rectangle. Here we can see the properties of a rectangle. Number one, opposite sides they are parallel and equal. So opposite sides AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. And these sides they are equal also. So AB is equals to CD and AD is equal to BC. Second is all the angles of a rectangle they are right angles. So angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D all are of 90 degree. Number 3, the diagonals of a rectangle are equal. So AC is equals to DB. These are the two diagonals of a rectangle and they are equal. Next is rhombus. If two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, it is called a rhombus. So let's see the properties of a rhombus. Number 1, all sides of a rhombus are equal. So here we can see AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equals to DA. All the sides are equal. Second, both pairs of opposite sides of a rhombus are parallel to each other. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Number 3, the diagonals of a rhombus intersect at right angles. So here we can see these two diagonals, they intersect at 90 degree. So all these angles, they are of 90 degree. Next we have square, a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal and each angle is of 90 degree is called a square. So let's see the properties of a square. Number 1, all sides of a square are equal. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equals to DA. Second, opposite sides of a square are parallel. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Number 3, all angles of a square, they are right angles. So angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D. All are of 90 degree. Number 4, diagonals of a square are equal. So AC is equals to BD And number 5, the diagonals of a square intersect at right angles. So all these angles where these diagonals meet, this is of 90 degree. Last one is kite, a quadrilateral in which there are two pairs of equal adjacent sides is called a kite. So here we can see A, B, C, D. This is a kite. And here we can see this also, that there are two pairs of equal adjacent sides. That means DC is equal to CB. These are two adjacent sides, and AD is equals to AB. These are also adjacent sides.